Do it yourself. For each of the following sequence, write the next three terms and find the general terms. This is one of the questions we did today in my online mathematics classes with my students globally, and this is under sequence. How can this question be solved? To my surprise, my students got the answers correctly, except for this C, that they were unable to get the general term, but they got this, and they also got this. So let's solve it. Solution, because I teach online mathematics classes every day. So how can we know um the the next three terms? We can know the next three terms through the general terms. So let's find the general term. So for A, the general term, the general term is, okay, let's look at the sequence on each term, because this is first term, second term, third term, and fourth term, and it continues. That's the meaning of this three dots. Now this is 2, 5, 12, 17. It shows that this number follows a particular pattern. So the general term is, okay, we are adding 5, so that means the difference between 7 and 2 is 5. So that will be 5, let me say 5n minus 3. Yeah, this is the general term. Or we can say 5r minus 3. I told my student that it doesn't matter the variable that is being used, either it is y, either it is x, either it is, because in mathematics, letters are known as variables. So the general term, which can also be referred to as the end term, yeah, that's another terminologies that we use. Or we can say the end terms of this sequence is 5n minus 3, which is either or 5r minus 3. Now that's how we got it, because if I should put, if n is 1, okay, where let me see, where n belongs to z plus. I told my students what is the meaning of this z plus, and they could not get it. And I said, in mathematics we have different type of numbers. We have whole numbers, complex numbers, real numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers. So z plus is a set of integers. And what are integers? Integers are positive or negative whole number. So this is z plus, this is positive whole number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and continue. So if I should put 1 here, 5 times 1, 5, minus 3, 2, 5 times 2, 10, minus 3, 12, 5 times 3, 15, minus 3, 12. So let's get the so a is now be 2. Let's get the next 3 term, 12, 17. This will be, I'll put a 5. If I put 5, that will be 22. If I put 5, that will be 27. If I put 5, that will be 32. Yeah, and it continues. So what I'm going to do now is that I will leave this to you to try. You can try this. Try to solve 2, 6, 12, 20, and see if you get it. And also try this. This is kind of very difficult. Yeah, it takes a lot of think tanking section. It takes a lot of thinking, a lot of brainstorming, and it's actually simple and it is easy. So I am actually leaving this. So I've done this. This is how I explain to my students in my today's online mathematics classes, because as a first class graduate in mathematics education with a CGPA of 4.93 out of 5.00 from the University of Nigeria Nsukka, I have the I am an embodiment of excellence of knowledge for best practices. So I'm very good teaching mathematics. That's why I teach mathematics online. I teach online mathematics classes to my students, and I made them to understand that mathematics is easy, mathematics is simple. You don't have to cram, you don't have to stress yourself. Yeah, so this is the solution to one of the questions that we did today. So I'll be leaving this question and this question to for you to try. And if you did not get it, try to comment. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. If you cannot do this B and C, I will do it, and I will explain everything from the beginning to the end, because I teach online mathematics classes from simple to complex, and I will make sure that you understand what is being taught and everything that we are doing. So thank you very much.